Today I will introduce you to one of my favorite websites, through which you can get all your packaging design solutions. For example, you can download ready-made packaging templates, Dielines, mockups, and 3D animation videos. I think this website will make your packaging design work much faster. So let's get started. Use my discount code when you purchase the subscription package on this website, and you will get a much lower price. Anyway, this is our long-awaited website. Here we can find 4,900 plus packaging templates, Dielines, and mockups and do all our packaging work with Pacdora. We see 3 categories here: Mockup, Templates and Dielines, 3D Generator. First, we will click on Templates and Designs. Here we can download 2,000 plus customizable templates and Dielines. We can see the design mode and mockup mode. On the left side, we can see category options. In the category ways, we will find our desired template layout. For example, I click on the paper bag category. I see here that we can download the designs in 3 formats: in Illustrator, PDF, and AutoCAD formats. We can easily design and provide the client with this software by downloading the designs. If we look at the title, we can see that there is a custom text. All these designs can be customized. For example, I clicked on the first one. After coming to the new page, I can see that there are 2 options: 2D Dielines, another 3D preview. If we click on the option in the 2D Dielines, we will get the customization panel on the left side. From there, we can make custom designs according to the client's requirements. We can change the size in millimeters and inches. Suppose I have a shopping bag. Its length will be 330 millimeters, its width will be 100 millimeters, and its height will be 250 millimeters. This is our customizable design for shopping bags. I will download this design now. For this, you have to click on Export. We need to log in to export. Sign up if you don't have an account. I am logging in because I have an account. After logging into the account, I will now click on Export again. Here I see 4 options. Since I need Dielines now, I will select the Dielines and open the exported file in Illustrator software. So after selecting the AI, click on the Export button. It will take some time. We can see 10% completed. However, our Dieline export is complete. Now I will open it in Illustrator. This is the design line of our shopping bag design. Here we see the 3 colors that give us bleed, trim, and crest marks. You may now understand how much time it saved us. I just designed the front side of the shopping bag. I will export this front side in image format and show you how to mock up with Pacdora and create a 3D animation video of the product. To do the mockup, I have to click the Enter the Mockup Here button. Here you can see there is a button to upload image. Select the image and place it in the correct position. We can also design with Pacdora website if we want. If we go to the Elements option, we will get the text tool, and we will get different shapes that we can design through them like Canva. This mockup can be downloaded now. I need to save it first to download. After saving, I have to press Export. After clicking on Export, we will get 4 options. Since we will now download the mockup, we can export in 2K or 4K resolution. While the mockup is selected, a smooth shadow will be added to the downloaded image. We can use this design in other mockups if we want. For example, if we want to use this mockup, then we have to click on it. Remember this to keep the size correct. Now we have to click on Enter the Mockup. To upload our image, click on the Upload button and select the image. Then we will place them according to their position. We can duplicate this. Here we can see our front and back side mockup done. We can use Pacdora Elements tools to design on 2 sides. Our mockup has been completed. Now I will save and press the Super Export button. Now if I click on the Render button, the mockup will be saved in 2K resolution with smooth shadow added. If we want to save a 3D video, then we have to go to the video option, select any one animation and click on the Render button. Shadow will be added to the video in the downloaded file. If we click on the Render button, then the video download link will be sent to my account email within 20 minutes. Hope you understand how much faster this website will make your work. If you want to use this website, you need to buy their subscription package. You can also buy their 1-year package or monthly package if you want. If you want to buy the package at a lower price, use our discount code. Our code is Oriel. Let's see how much cheaper you can buy using my discount code. Clicking on the export button to buy the package or view the price. You can select any option and click on the export button. After clicking the export button, you will see the Get Unlimited subscription window. Then you have to click on the upgrade button. We can see here that they will charge $199 annually, and they charge $29 a month. If you want to take the annual package, then select Annual. Then click on Promotion and enter my discount code. Enter Oriel here and press the Apply button. Then here we can see that the price has been reduced due to the discount code added. If one wants to buy a monthly package, then click on the monthly package. Then click on Have a promotion code, enter my discount code correctly and press the Apply button. After clicking on the Apply button, you will see that your order price has been reduced. Finally, enter your card number, expiry date, and CVC. Complete the order by clicking the Complete Payment button. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and share this tutorial. Thank you.